Hey, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So let's create one VM so that we can set up the MySQL. So I will take here one of the VM with the window 10. So let me create one virtual machine here. So I'm using the free trial the Azure account. So the let me create the resource group name like the DMS data migration service. And here the virtual machine name, let me take an example like the on-premise MySQL. And the region we can select like the central India, or according to your requirement you can take any region. There is no any restrictions. As I said, here I have to select the the operating system as the window 10, okay, because we have to set up the MySQL inside the window environment, right? So let me enter the credential like the username and the password, and I have to take the D2 because I need the 4 CPU and the 15 GB memory with one of the system. So I can take the 4 CPU. Let me give the username as admin user and the password like abc@123. Then I have to accept this license. I have to the keep we can keep the disk and networking as a default one. We don't need to change anything. Just we can just verify, and after that we can review and the create. I don't think anything is required like the monitoring, the management, anything is not required to change here. So we can keep as it is default. No tag is required, no advanced settings required, because we are just taking the this VM to set up the MySQL. Okay. And if you have the on point to site connection, directly you can set up the MySQL on your laptop. As we don't have the point to site connection, so we are just taking the VM to set up the MySQL here. So the review and the validation has been completed. So let me create the VM now, and you can see the validation has been passed. So we can create the VM, and it will take some time to deploy the VM. So in the meantime, like you can, and I will appreciate if you keep your patience. In the meantime, you can take a glass of water to get relaxed. Yeah, the deployment in progress, and it will take hardly maximum 2 to 3 minutes to get ready the VM. In the meantime, I will take 2 minute pause, and once get it ready, then I will come back. Then we can connect the VM to just validate whether we are able to connect or not. The VM has been deployed, so you can see. So let me open it. Let me try to access using the RDP, and I have take the public IP here. Let me copy the public IP, and let me go to the remote desktop like MSTSC. Then I have to enter the IP here. Let me connect. As I said, I have earlier I have given the user as the admin user, and the password is abc@123. As for your credential, you can just log into the your system. Let me log into the VM. The VM is ready now, and now it is keeping ready the desktop of the uh, window machines. I think the video is a little bit lengthy, so in the next session, once we get ready the system, we can set up the MySQL in the upcoming video. Okay. So for the timing, just let me open the Chrome or the Edge, whether it is working or not. Just let me validate. And I say I'm able to connect the VM successfully. Also, the internet is working fine here. So what I will do, guys, I will create another video to set up the MySQL, okay, in the next session. Okay, thank you, guys. I will connect to the next session. Thank you.